Welcome to my channel SSC Edge Arun Kumar Exam Guru. Assertion is questions on physics. Each question has an assertion A and there is an R. Choose one option. Option A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option B, A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. Option C, A is true, R is false. Option D is false, R is true. Question 1. Assertion: in the stratosphere, temperature decreases with altitude. Reason: the ozone layer present in the stratosphere absorbs ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Right answer to this question is option D. A is false, R is true. In the stratosphere, temperature increases with altitude. Question 2. Assertion: auroras are observed in the thermosphere near polar regions. Reason: charged solar particles interact with Earth's magnetic field and excite atmospheric gases, producing visible light. So answer to this question is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. The charged particles from the sun are guided by the magnetic field lines towards the poles, where they collide with and excite atmospheric gases, which then emit the light we see as an aurora. Question 3. Assertion: escape velocity from Earth is independent of the mass of the object. Reason: escape velocity depends only on the mass and radius of the Earth. Right answer to this question is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. V equal to, that is, escape velocity equals square root of 2 gm by r, and it depends on the mass m and radius r of the planet and the universal gravitational constant g, and not on the mass of the object escaping. Question 4. Assertion: mechanical energy is conserved in elastic collisions. Reason: both kinetic energy and momentum are conserved in elastic collisions. Right answers to this question is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of A. Mechanical energy involves kinetic energy and momentum. Question 5. Assertion: work done by centripetal force in uniform circular motion is zero. Reason: centripetal force is perpendicular to displacement. The right answer to this question is option A. The assertion and reason are true, and here is the correct explanation of A. Work done is zero when force is perpendicular to distance. Centripetal force acts towards the center. Question number 6. Assertion: power has the same dimension as torque. Reason: torque and energy are measured in joules. Right answer is option D. A is false, R is true. Torque and energy has the same as the unit of Newton meter, that is joule. Question 7. Assertion: the order of increasing wavelength gamma ray less than X-ray less than UV less than visible less than infrared less than microwave less than radio. Reason: high frequency corresponds to shorter wavelength. Right answer to this question is option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. E equal to h mu, and that is equal to hc by lambda, where mu is frequency and lambda is the wavelength, and which is Planck's constant. So we can see mu is actually inversely proportional to the wavelength. Question 8. Assertion: infrared waves are used in remote controls. Reason: infrared rays does not penetrate walls, preventing interference with devices in other rooms. Answer to this question is option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct explanation of it. Question 9. Assertion: magnetic field lines form closed loop. The reason: they never intersect. Answer B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. Magnetic field lines originate from North Pole and loop around to enter the South Pole outside the magnet, and then continue through the South to the North Pole inside the magnet to complete the continuous closed loop. And the magnetic field lines do not intersect, because if they did, it would imply that a single point in space has two different magnetic field directions, which is impossible for a magnetic field. Question 10. Assertion: galvanometer measures very small currents. Reason: it can be converted to a meter or voltmeter using shunt or series resistances. Right answer option B. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. Galvanometer can be converted into a meter by connecting a low resistance shunt resistor in parallel to its coil, and into a voltmeter by connecting a high resistance series resistor in series with the coil. So thank you. Join my Telegram channel for 108 such expected questions on physics with detailed answer key.